Welcome, my dear students of class 5A and 5B to my GK class. In this class, I have decided to re-explain 2 lessons more in order to avoid any kind of misunderstanding between I myself and the students of class 8, 5A and 5B. Lest few students of section A or section B may raise that question, sir, that lesson you did not teach, that lesson you did not teach, and once again I have to teach. In order to avoid this kind of inconveniences of you, I have decided to re-explain both the 2 lessons, both for 2 sections. Then I shall start teaching a new lesson. Okay? Now look at the points mentioned in the board. First point, citizens. Second, secularism. Third, religions. Fourth, festivals. And fifth, celebration. The name of the topics are religions and we celebrate. Unit 6. Religions, we celebrate. Now, my dear students, you know already these 2 lessons I have taught, but for your better understanding, for your conveniences, I have decided to re-explain these 2 lessons. First one is religions. Open at page number 51. My dear students, open at page number 51. Open at page 51. Religions. Here there are some questions according to which you have to find out the answers mentioned in your book. In the back page, you find it out, take it down the answer to the appropriate places and keep on learning. Now keep on learning with me. When does the Jewish Sabbath begin? When does the Jewish Sabbath begin? On Friday. On which day? On Friday. The Jewish Sabbath begins. And next one, what is Ramadan? Ramadan is the Islamic holy month. What is Ramadan? Ramadan is the Islamic holy month. And next one, who is the king of gods in ancient Greek mythology? Who is the king of gods in ancient Greek mythology? That is Zeus. Z-E-U-S. Zeus is the king of gods in ancient Greek mythology, king of gods. And next one, which religion aims at nirvana, the state of being free from sufferings? That is Buddhism. Introduced by whom? Introduced by Lord Buddha. It is Buddhism. And in which religion are Vishnu and Shiva central figures? Hinduism. In Hinduism, the two gods, Vishnu and Shiva, are the central figures. And next one, who is an atheist? Who is an atheist? Someone who does not believe in God is known as atheist. And who is an agnostic? Someone who is unsure whether God exists. Someone who is unsure whether God exists. This is known as agnostic. And next one, where, according to the Bible, was Jesus born? It was Bethlehem. Jesus Christ was born according to the Bible. And next one, where was the Baha'is faith founded? Persia is a country. Baha'is faith was founded. And next one, name the Holy Book of Islam. What is the Holy Book of Islam? The Holy Book of Islam is the Quran. The Holy Book of Islam is known as the Quran. And which religion was founded by Lord Mahavira? The religion Lord Mahavira founded is known as Jainism. Jainism is the religion Lord Mahavira founded. And next one, which is the holy book of Parsis? Which is the holy book of the Parsis? The holy book of the Parsis is known as Zoroaster, known as Jent Avesta. Jent Avesta is the holy book of the Parsis. And next one, Dalai Lama is an important figure in which religion? Dalai Lama is an important figure in religion Buddhism. And who founded the Parsis religion? Who founded the Parsis religion? Zoroaster. Zoroaster founded the Persian religion. And what is Dhammapada? The holy book of Buddhists is known as Dhammapada. And of which great Indian epic is the Bhagavad Gita a part? Mahabharata is the most great Indian epic. Our Bhagavad Gita is a part of it. And next one, from which Upanishad have the word Satyameva Jayate been taken? It is taken from Mundaka Upanishad. It is taken from which Upanishad? Mundaka Upanishad. And next one, who are lamas? Buddhist monks are known as lamas. Buddhist monks are known as lamas. And which are the two sects of Jainism? Digambara and Sitambaras. Digambaras and Sitambaras are the two sects of Jainism. And where did Gautam Buddha attain enlightenment? Bodh Gaya. Where did Gautam Buddha attain enlightenment? That is Bodh Gaya. Then next question, next topic, we celebrate. The same unit 6, we celebrate. What is this? Now I am going to teach you, re-explain you. The end of Ramjan. What is the name of the end of Ramjan? The end of Ramjan is known as Eid. It is the festival of the Muslims. And next one, the festival of Saraswati Puja. What is the another name of the festival of Saraswati Puja? The another name of the festival of Saraswati Puja is known as Basant Panchami. Is known as Basant Panchami. And what is the festival of colors? Holi is the name of the festival of colors. Holi is the name of the festival of colors. And next one, the birthday of Lord Rama. What is the birthday of Lord Rama? The birthday of Lord Rama is known as Ram Navami. Then the harvest festival of Kerala. What is the harvest festival of Kerala? Onam. Onam is the harvest festival of which state? Of Kerala. And next one, the birth of Hanuman. What is the birth of Hanuman? Hanuman Jayanti is the day for the birth of Hanuman. That is Hanuman Jayanti. The New Year day of Marathas and Konkanas is known as Gudi Padwa. The New Year day of Marathas and Konkanis are known as Gudi Padwa. And next one, the Assamese New Year. Bihu is known as the Assamese New Year. Bihu. Bihu is known as the Assamese New Year. Bihu. And next one, the festival created bond of love between a brother and a sister. The festival created bond of love between a brother and a sister is known as Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan. During the Swadeshi movement in India, when the partition plan was implemented by Governor General Lord Curzon, during that time, this movement means the programs of Raksha Bandhan was taken by the Congress leaders. And during that day, people remained in empty stomach. Some people, not all. But a section of people paid their tribute, paid their respect towards the government, towards our country, in order to make it free from British rule. That's why the program of Raksha Bandhan is very important in Indian history. The program of Raksha Bandhan, that very program became very much popular in our state Bengal, because Bengal was the nerve center of Indian nationalism. The leaders of different parts of India, they would come to hear the speeches of the Congress leaders in Calcutta, and in and a large section of Indian people, they were students of the important educational institutions of Calcutta. They would come from other states and receive education from our country, from the country Calcutta during that time. That's why the national movement, which was started in protest against the British policy of repression, and the Swadeshi movement was started in protest against the partition plan of Lord Curzon. During that time, the program of Raksha Bandhan, which is written in your book, had become very much popular. Raksha Bandhan, the program was followed by the followers of Congress Party, political leaders of the Congress Party, and the social workers, social reformers of the country. That was what is it? That was, Raksha Bandhan. The birthday of Lord Krishna. What is this? The birthday of Lord Krishna is known as Janmashtami. Janmashtami is known as the birthday of Lord Krishna. And next one, the birthday of Lord Mahavira. Lord Mahavir Jayanti is known as the birthday of Lord Mahavira. The birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. The birthday of Lord Jesus Christ is known as Christmas. The birthday of Lord Jesus Christ is known as Christmas. The resurrection of Lord Jesus Christ is known as Easter. The resurrection of Lord Jesus Christ is known as Easter. And the birth of elephant-headed God is known as Ganesh Chaturthi. The birth of elephant-headed God is known as Ganesh Chaturthi. So these are the, my dear students, points. These are the, questions and answers. Simply you have to learn it properly, so that you can attempt all the questions, you can answer all the questions answers properly. And in order to make sure you have to learn properly, take it down the answers in your classwork copies, or underline the answers in your GK book. Exercise portion should be practiced or learning as quick as possible. And if you have any doubt, any problem regarding any point, you please ask me questions. I shall help you as far as possible during when I shall conduct my live classes for you. Thank you.